Welcome back everyone. As you can see, this is my real trading account, not a demo account. Today I'm going to show you a powerful indicator called change of rate and how I use it to find high probability trading opportunities. First, let's add the change of rate indicator. Now let's select our first trading pair, EUR-USD. The indicator is giving us a buy signal, so let's place our first buy trade. Now let's talk about the change of rate indicator. The change of rate indicator measures how quickly the price is moving compared to its previous movement. In simple words, it shows whether the market momentum is getting stronger or weaker. When the indicator starts moving upward and confirms bullish momentum, it can signal a potential buy opportunity. When it starts moving downward and confirms bearish momentum, it can indicate a potential sell opportunity. One of the best things about this indicator is that it's very easy to understand. You don't need years of trading experience to use it. Once you learn how to read its signals and combine them with proper market analysis, it becomes a very useful tool for identifying high probability entries. However, remember that no indicator is 100% accurate. For the best results, always use good risk management and wait for proper confirmation before entering a trade. As you can see, we followed the indicator's signal and it guided us towards this buy setup. And our first trade has been win. Now let's move to another trading pair. This time we're selecting EUR-CAD. Again, the change of rate indicator is showing a buy signal. The momentum is pointing upward, giving us confidence for another entry. Let's place our buy trade. You can clearly see that the indicator signaled the BUI direction before the price moved. And there we go. Our second trade is also a win. If you also want to improve your trading, you can see how we use this indicator to win 2 successful trades on a real account. We share daily free trading signals on our Telegram channel. The link is available in the description.